So this is how I clean my Gucci scarf and my Louis Vuitton Bandeaus. What I just do is spray them down with some shout, which I used it all already, but let them soak. And as you can see, all this dirt, it's really not dirt, it's just oil because I do wear them on my hair. But yeah, but then I rinse them out and then I let them air dry. And yeah, I just added a few extra ones that I didn't show getting washed or whatever. But I sit them on here and I let them air dry. So they're about dry, almost dry now. Like it doesn't take long for them to dry. So I let them dry, and to get the wrinkle out, instead of me, let me make sure if I'm right or not. But instead of me, it says dry clean only. Whatever, I'm not dry cleaning these. So what I will do is once I'm ready to put them up and fold them up, I will put them in the dryer for 5 minutes just to get the wrinkle out of. So I got my bandeaus in the dryer. They are dry, like I said earlier, but I just want to knock the wrinkle out of them. So I'm gonna put them on less dry, and I don't know what less dry means, but I guess it means less dry. So we just gonna keep them in there for a little bit.
Sounds dry.